Guys, welcome to the channel. As the title suggests, Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party leader have won the September 3rd, 2025 general election. Give it up for Andrew Holness, his third term in office. Anyway, guys, before I go any further, this is a reaction channel. We are not here to hurt anybody's feelings. We are here just for fun, reporting the news with a twist of fun. Sometimes we can't be all crying. I know that some of us are disappointed tonight, but let's not take it too serious. It will pass. Now, as the title suggests, Andrew Holness have won a third term. And give it up for Jamaica's new parliament. Yeah, Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party just pulled off a very narrow victory, 34 seats to 29. That's what I call a tight race. It's like trying to split a mango and ending up with a little bit of everything. Sweet, a little tangy, and just enough to make you want more. Now, Holness has been leading since 2011. That's over a decade. Some of us had less patience waiting for the Wi-Fi to connect in the Kingston bus terminal. He's been busy with economic reforms, infrastructure development, and trying to keep crime at bay. It's like he's the guy trying to fix a leaky boat while the storm is still raging outside. And let's be honest, Jamaica's roads are a lot like my aunt's homemade jerk chicken. They look promising, but you better hold on tight because you never know what's coming next. And speaking of infrastructure, everywhere I go I see new projects, roads, bridges, roundabouts that look more like modern art installations. I swear, some of these roads are like a treasure map. Following this widening path, find the pot of gold and hopefully not the potholes. I remember driving through some areas and thinking, this must have been designed by a committee of artists and engineers who argued about the color of the asphalt for 3 months. But here's the thing. Despite all the progress, critics still say Jamaica's got issues. Crime inequalities, social investments. That's like trying to fix a broken phone with duct tape. You can patch it, but it's still not working properly. Holness is out there working hard, but I think some problems are like that stubborn mosquito. No matter how much you swat, it's just keep coming back. And let's talk about that small margin, 34 to 29 seats. That's like trying to split a piece of jerk chicken between two friends. It's tight. One little disagreement and suddenly you're a debate over who you're in a debate over who gets the drumstick. It's the kind of margin that makes you realize democracy is like a dance. Sometimes you step on each other's toes, but at the end of the day, everyone's still dancing to the same reggae beat. It's also interesting because the election results reflect a nation that's pretty evenly divided. Jamaica is like the couple arguing about where to go for dinner. One wants jerk chicken, the other wants curry goat. And just like those arguments, it's not about who is right, but finding a way to make everyone happy, or at least not make anyone angry enough to throw a shoe. And I have to say this election just proves the democracy in Jamaica is alive and kicking, even if it's more like a lively dancehall session than a calm was. Sometimes the beat gets a little chaotic, but that's what makes it beautiful. Jamaica's politics are like a reggae song, sometimes slow, sometimes fast, but always full of soul. Now, Holness, has been working so hard that I'm pretty sure he's got a secret stash of Red Bull in his office. The man's been juggling so many issues. I wouldn't be surprised if he gets a backup plan for everything. Like, if this road doesn't work, I'll just build a new one on a different island. But let's not forget the social issues. Despite all the progress, there are still gaps: inequality, crime, and social investment that feels like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. It's like trying to teach a fish to climb a tree. Sure, you try your best, but sometimes you just got to accept that some things are better left to nature. And I get it. Jamaica is a beautiful country with a vibrant culture and resilient people, but sometimes it feels like the politicians are playing catch up, like trying to fix a car while it's still moving. One day, I hope to see more social investments that actually reach the people who need it most. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what democracy is all about? Making sure everyone gets their fair share, whether it's a seat on the bus or a piece of the pie. So here's to Jamaica's democracy: messy, vibrant, and full of life. May the roads get smoother, the crime rate goes down, and the social programs get the funding they need, preferable before the next election, so we don't have to keep calling in the construction crews every 6 months. And let's keep the reggae playing, the jerk chicken hot, and the spirit of resilience alive. Because Jamaica, you're more than just an island. You're a vibe, a movement, and a whole lot of beautiful chaos wrapped in sunshine and good vibes. Thank you, Jamaica. Keep smiling, keep voting, and keep the reggae rhythm alive.